Yeah, I wasn't getting the action that I wanted off of the frog. Fish on. If this is a bluegill, dude, I'm gonna lose it. Nope, just a little bass. I think he's a monster, man. He might be a record breaker. Yeah, I may even put him on the hog trough. That's a bummer, man. You did, you called it. Stay positive, Warren. Stay positive. Stay positive. You never know. Oh! Oh! What's up? Okay, so we're out here, I think just north of Bonham somewhere on Lake Crockett, and fishing a field of lily pads. I've missed a ton of fish. Buddy of mine, Warren, who is over there, missed a monster bass on a swim jig, or a swim bait. I'm sorry, swim bait. Had to have been 10 plus pounds easily. I got it on video, so hopefully we'll be able to see that very soon. Pretty upset, and I don't blame him. But all I'm doing now is I'm going through and working all these pockets with a 3/16 jig with a crawl, a pit boss crawl, pitching them in the holes, jigging them. I've missed a ton of fish. So I'm hoping I can find some more when I'm weaving in and out of these lily pads. So let's see what we can find. Oh, I got broken off. They're monsters around here, man. I just got broken off. He hit it on the phone. I didn't even know it, so I set the hook and it was over. There's monsters through here, man. Holy, that's 30-pound braid right there. 30-pound braid. 30-pound braid. There's monsters in here, bro. There we go. Look at that, came right out of that. So, on my way over to, back to my spot where I've been getting my hits, caught this little bugger on a crankbait. Let's say a pound 5. Hold still, hold still, hold still, hold still. 1 pound, 8 ounce. That was on 2 different colors too, man. Oh my God! Shredded up with this one. Dude, he came up to the That's him. That's for sure him. Oh my God! I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. Careful, careful, you're in the lilies. Holy shit. Make sure you got most of your slack up, man. You got it.
Oh, he broke me off. He broke me off, dude. He broke me off.
You shouldn't have pulled him, man. Oh my God.
Holy, he broke me off. Did you see that fish?
Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure I got it on video too.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I got it on video.